Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Bluetooth helmet intercom which I recently bought from Aliexpress on the Black Friday. It cost me around 62 US dollars, which is very cheap compared to its regular price.
I'ma go get it tonight.
So without any delay, let's start the unboxing. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Here is what the package looks like, and you can pause the video to read the manual. The manual is in two languages, one in English and another in Dutch language. If you want to read it, you can pause the video. So we have the manual, and then I bought one pair of the device, so I have two chargers for each of them. And if we remove this, we have the charging cable which has USB on one end and 2.5 mm cord on the other, two for each of the devices. And we have the mounts, small pieces of 3 mm stickers. We have the metal mount and the side mount. This will be put in the side of the helmet with the help of these screws. We have two cords which has 3.5 mm jack on one end and 2.5 mm jack on the other, so you can play music from your mobile phones or MP3 or iPods. We have here the speakers, the mic, which has glued sticker attached to it, so you need to remove it and then paste it inside your helmet easily. And this one, smaller one, for the mic. And we have also a cushion that will help you to put the cover on this speaker so that your ears don't hurt when you use them. We have one screwdriver and another set of speakers and microphone. If we look at the devices, it has a rubber texture and is very light in weight, and compared to the price, it does not feel so cheap to hold. To turn the device on, we need to keep pressing the power button until the blue light turns on. To turn the pairing mode on, we need to keep pressing the power button until the red and blue lights both turns on and starts flickering. To turn this device off, you just need to press the small button, which is the reset button, and it's off. That's it for today, guys. I will post another video after I install it in my helmet and go out for a ride. If you like this video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.